Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Zerion wallet app on your Android device step by step. So start by unlocking your Android device and opening the Google Play Store app. Now tap on the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the search bar at the top, type Zerion wallet. Hit search. Now look for the app with the blue and white Zerion logo developed by Zerion Inc. Once you find the correct app, tap on it, then hit install button. The download will begin and the installation will happen automatically once it's done. After the app is installed, tap Open to launch Zerion. From here, you can create a new wallet or import an existing one and start managing your crypto portfolio right from your phone. Make sure to keep your wallet recovery phase safe and private when creating a new account. And yes, that's it. You have successfully installed the Zerion wallet app on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.